Get ready. Start. As soon as the civil government servants struck off the civil post, his administrative officer shall forward his last pay certificate and gazette notification or office order to the head of the establishment to which the individual is expected to report for training or service. Full stop. In the case of the personnel selected for grant of emergency commission, the last pay certificate has to be forwarded to the commandant of the officers training school, and in the case of personnel selected for JCOs or ORS appointments, it has to be forwarded to the pay and accounts office concerned through the commandant of the training center. Character roles or service book of the individuals are not to be forwarded to the military departments. Full stop. Next para. In the case of personnel selected for emergency commission, the commandants of the training centers shall pay during the training period to the civil government servants net civil pay and allowances as are indicated in the last pay certificates. Full stop. He shall make a further deduction of ₹25 from the pay and allowance on account of food expenses. Full stop. Such payments during the training period will be a charge on the civil services estimates, reduced by the amount of any training allowance admissible under the defense rules. Full stop. Credits for the amounts deducted from pay on account of provident fund advances etc. noted on last pay certificate should however be afforded to the civil accountant general concerned. Full stop. After the completion of training and on grant of commissions, these documents of the individual concerned will be forwarded to the controller of defense accounts. Full stop. From the date of grant of the commission, the office will start drawing military pay and allowances or civil pay and allowances whichever are higher. Full stop. The controller of defense accounts will raise debits against the civil accountant general for the excess of civil pay and allowances over military pay and allowances and afford credits to him for the recoveries made on account of advances etc. as noted on pay certificate. Full stop. In the case of JCOs, the commandants of the center shall pay to the civil government servants either the civil or the military pay whichever are higher. Full stop. Next para. These instructions will be applicable mutatis mutandis to civil government servants who are permitted to take up service in the Navy and the Air Force. Full stop. Stop.